Five here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, guys, we're going to be going over Request Network. And Request is a decentralized network that allows anyone to request a payment in which the recipient can pay in a secure way. All the information is stored on a decentralized, authentic ledger. The cool thing about this is it's 100% global, regardless of the currency, the legislation, or the language. Unlike current existing accounting books, Request is at the origin of exchanges that integrates computerized track code as well as the management of multiple payment terms. So an example would be the closest thing the way I see this is like basically a decentralized PayPal, and PayPal has pretty high fees, so this is going to be more peer-to-peer, reducing fees and making it a lot more low cost. So I feel like this is definitely going to be something that's going to be here in the future. So a cool example, or let me give you guys an example. Let's say, so I'm in the United States and I send a request to someone in, I don't know, we'll say Germany. I'm requesting an invoice for whatever service. So when I send them that invoice, the trade laws are automatically going to be integrated into the invoice. So it's going to apply all the taxes and all the legislation will come with that. So making it easy for both the user, excuse me, and the sender, and not having to worry about any illegal or activity or any taxes or stuff like that. But before we dive into this, guys, I want to show you guys BitConnect really quick. So this is going to actually be the first ICO that I'm going to be investing in. So that's why I feel like I'm going to include this in this video. So this is a BitConnect ICO. For those of you who don't know, I do use BitConnect, and if you guys are looking to use BitConnect, go ahead and use the referral link down below. It would really help me out a lot. On January 10th, however, BitConnect X will be released, and this is an ICO. What I believe this is, though, I mentioned in my last episode, is I believe this is an exchange now, or it's going to be an exchange. In their roadmap, they did say they were going to have a decentralized fiat exchange. However, that's, I believe, in March or in May, so that's a little further down the line. So, however, maybe this is just them opening the gates and seeing where where on the roadmap this kind of fits. So that's kind of my personal opinion. But if you go ahead and you click on the little banner here, it takes you to this little website. And none of the buttons actually work on here besides the BitConnect X, and it just takes you to this exact page. But it says, coming soon, BitConnect X, be part of the cryptocurrency movement. ICO begins in 6 days, 23 hours, 12 minutes, and 30 seconds. But we accept Litecoin and Bitcoin. So only Litecoin and Bitcoin for some reason. As you can tell, the colors are very similar to Litecoin. I'm saying it's going to be an exchange just because the letter X is in it. A lot of exchanges have X. But other than that, guys, I just wanted to bring that up to you. So that'll be my first ICO I invest in. Really quick, let's take a look at the market. Bitcoin currently sitting at 15,000, up 8% for the day. Ripple up almost 6%. Ethereum up almost 13%. I believe Ethereum will hit 1,000 pretty soon here. Bitcoin Cash up almost 10%. Cardano up 7%. Litecoin up almost 10%. IOTA down almost 1%. NEM up 11%. Lumen's up 15.5%. Dash up 12% here. Monero up 4%. Nero up almost 13%. EOS up 3%. And Tron Big here up 47%. Up almost to 8 cents. I believe we did hit 8 cents and we came back down. Definitely looking to buy the dip on Tron here. Bitcoin Gold up almost 0.5%. Ryblox up 7%. What else? BitConnect, we're up at 10%, up to 429. Verge down 10%, currently sitting at 14 cents. Looking like it's at a discount now. Really quick, let's take a look at Bitcoin, guys. Looks like Bitcoin found support here at about 12,700. Bounced once, twice, 3, 4 times. Looks like our EMAs are going to pinch here, and as you guys can tell, looks like a pretty wide W here forming. So we could be possibly seeing 20,000 again here pretty soon. However, if we do not break above 16,000 here, I do believe we will see a nice drop toward the downside, possibly towards 10,000, maybe even 8,000. Possibly around, if we don't hold here at 10,000, possibly a drop down to 9,000, maybe 8,000, depending on how bad people panic if we do decide to drop that low. And if we take a look at Ethereum here, Ethereum actually found support. We broke out of this nice little triangle. Went up, down, up, down, up, down, and we broke out. Definitely looking like we're going to hit 1,000 here pretty soon. No signs of reversal. And this just happened about yesterday, maybe 2 days. This is about 2 days of work right here. So Ethereum looking to definitely make some moves here. I believe Ethereum is moving now because a lot of these applications are actually starting to develop on the Ethereum blockchain. It's being put to use, so that's pretty cool. Finally seeing some of that live action. And if you look here at Litecoin kind of behaving here the same as Bitcoin. Looks like we have a possible W here forming. However, I'm not convinced yet that we were going to hold here. Still looking for a break above about 260. If we do break about 262, I will be possibly buying more Litecoin here. Looks like we'll be heading back up to our all-time high of 420. Let me go ahead and adjust this. Definitely looks like we're forming a pretty wide W here as well. Came down, up, down. Looks like we have support. So probably going to come back up to 380, but definitely looking to hold some Litecoin in the long term here. And that's our Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin analysis. So, whoa, sorry about that. So where can you get some requests? Whoa, what's going on my... Not really sure why my internet's acting slow. Alright, well let's go ahead and take a look at some price action since that's not working out. So Request did make an all-time high of about 6,811 Satoshis. It looks like since then we've kind of coming towards the downside here. What I'm expecting from Request here is a drop all the way down to possibly around almost 4,000. If we don't hold here at 4,000, I believe we will come all the way back down to almost 3,000, almost 3,100, about 3,100, and then continue towards the upside. This is definitely, let's see if their website loads. If not, we'll just have to do it without it. But this is definitely an interesting coin, guys. It looks like it's going to definitely be, in my opinion, replacing PayPal here in the future. It sounds just like it, just like PayPal. It looks like it works just like PayPal. The only thing is that it's cheaper for everyone, and it looks like it's more efficient. So that has my attention. Definitely looks like a good buy here for me. But I'm definitely waiting for it to reach a better price here. Currently, we're sitting at about 76 cents, so maybe around 53.50 is where I'm looking at. And once we do hit that 50 cents, definitely looking to buy there. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like. If you have any friends or family who are interested in cryptocurrencies, go ahead and show them this channel. Probably just going to be doing a lot more price action now, not digging into so many more coins, but just kind of updating the videos that we've already made. That way, we can kind of just keep riding the waves that we're catching, and we can maximize our profits. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.